so much learning, like truly, about mental health, about ourselves, and amidst all of that,
Being at Catharsis for me has been quite the emotional roller coaster. A lot of love for the work that I'm doing, and a lot of excitement about the growth and learning that I'm having.
Contribute to a space that truly honors the process of healing.
By the people who are working in catharsis. They always accept and make you feel comfortable no matter what.
Definitely narrative, because different narratives are just coming in together.
Been a very wholesome experience, me being a part of Catharsis and Catharsis actually being a part of me.
I have learned so much from my time at Catharsis.
While I'm in the space of Catharsis, I feel so much motivated and so much of engagement we have in between ourselves.
The name Catharsis with a K, where did this name come from?
Okay. So typically catharsis is spelled with a C. I actually had this thought in my head that whenever I start something of my own, I didn't even want to be a therapist at that point, but whenever I want to start something of my own, I will name it catharsis with a K. Because I think I have personally found a lot of resonance with that process. Being a dancer and an artist myself, I really resonate with the word and the process. And B, because the word katha and stories hold a lot of power and meaning. And I think now that I'm using a lot more of narrative therapy, using stories very intentionally in my practice as well, it only makes sense for us to call it catharsis with a K.
You started alone, and now Catharsis is a big international team. What has that growth felt like? From holding the vision alone to now watching others carry it with you.
I started out as an individual practitioner. This was during COVID, so I was operating out of one little corner in my house, and now we're a big team of 13, and our operations are running 24 hours all over the world. So that fills me with a lot of gratitude, but I do want to say that even when I was a single person at Catharsis, I think there were a lot of people that supported me in that journey. A lot of my friends, a lot of my colleagues, my family really showed up. And I think that had it not been for that initial momentum of support that I had when I first started out, having this bigger team would not have been possible at this moment.
How did you come up with these therapeutic events like artful dialogues, rhythms of resonance? What's your process?
I have always been a part of big communities wherever I go, be it being a part of a very big family that's still very connected, or having a lot of friends in my school, in my college. We have actually tried to curate from our first year itself, but at that time maybe we did not have access to the kind of community that we do now. But I think very gratefully now that we have access to the community, we've been able to successfully host so many of these events. I think the biggest inspiration for me for all of these events is whenever I'm doing something in my client work and I feel like this is something that needs to be addressed at a more macro community level, I try to bring or create a space with that. And I think not just that, it's not just me but my team as well, coming up with very unique creative ideas of what they think might be the needs of people that we work with, and then finding or creating community centric spaces around that need.
From being your baby to now turning 5, if Catharsis were growing up, what kind of teenager or young adult would it be today? What's it learning? What's it dreaming about?
I think that is a very important question for me to ask myself also at this stage, because till now I think catharsis has been very closely tied to my identity as a therapist, and I think I'm really hoping for catharsis to have its own voice, its own need. I think that that's been very possible for us in the last year as well, with, you know, as we expand our team, so many fresh perspectives, fresh voices add to the identity of Catharsis, and I think I'm really hoping to hone into that a lot more. I think I just want to say the biggest thank you to everyone who's showed up for Catharsis, as Catharsis has showed up for the people that all our therapists work with, starting from all our friends, families, colleagues, fellow therapists, organizations that we've collaborated with, and of course our clients. Thank you so much for placing your trust in us and honoring us with the privilege of being a part of your journeys.
5 words that comes to your mind when you think of Catharsis.
Pride, joy, gratitude, friendship, and excitement.
Exploring transformation as a therapist, chillax, definitely, community, and masti.
Apnapan. I don't have an English alternative for that. There's alive and playful. There's growth and collaboration. Warmth, a lot of warmth. Yeah, and just compassion.
Grounding, engagement we have, very much motivating, a safe space, of course unraveling.
A sense of community, feeling of movement, and hence we are very vibrant and active. Definitely narrative and accessibility.
Creativity, curiosity, intention, feeling held or warm, and inspiration.
Community, inclusivity, gentleness, intentional care, and learning.